Well, with that big breaking news which is coming in, this is a fight of the Unnao rape survivor, and she is not giving up. She's taken her protest to the Delhi High Court over Sengar's bail. In fact, the survivor and her mother claim that they have been blocked from protesting. This in a reference to the protests which were carried out at India Gate. In fact, women activists have now joined both the mother as well as the daughter as they protest against the bail which has been granted to the convicted rapist and expelled BJP leader Kuldeep Sengar. Kritika is joining us from the protest site. What's happening there, Kritika?
Well, yes, we're seeing that a lot of women activists have now collected outside of the Delhi High Court. They're protesting, banners in hand, and they're protesting against the suspension of the life imprisonment sentence that was earlier granted to Kuldeep Singh Sengar. Multiple activists here. You can also see the massive police deployment as well. The police is continuously making announcements of how they're not allowed to be seated here. They cannot protest here. As per the BNS, only Jantar Mantar is the designated spot. We have detention buses also ready, wherein possible detentions could also take place here at the moment. We're seeing multiple activists also join in the protest. They have banners in hand. They're also questioning the BJP government as well. Ma'am, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप इधर आज प्रोटेस्ट में अभी मौजूद हैं, विक्टिम की फाइट जस्टिस के लिए कंटिन्यू है, आपकी डिमांड्स क्या है?
डिमांड सिंपल है, जब वो पता था कि उसने रेप किया है, उसने मर्डर किया है, उसको सजा मिली है, देन उसको बाहर बेल पे क्यों छोड़ा गया, क्यों है? तो उसको मिलना चाहिए इंसाफ, जो जिसने सारी जिंदगी भुगता। पहली बात, उसने हिम्मत दिखाई, उसने इस केस को लड़ा, उसको मारा गया, वो आईसीयू में थी, वो कोमा में थी, वो बाहर निकली है। ये मतलब अब वो इज शी फीलिंग सेफ? वो अब क्या, अब तो उसको आए दिन उसको वो कभी भी मार सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। शी इज नॉट फीलिंग सेफ. So we are standing here because we want the culprit to go behind the bars. We don't want him to roam freely on the road. What is the fault of that woman?
We're also seeing the police continuously make announcements. They're saying that Jantar Mantar is the place to protest at. All of you should move away from the Delhi High Court.
What do we do? Go and do at Jantar Mantar? Nobody comes and listen over there. Point क्या है? उन्होंने एक कोना दे दिया है जंतर मंतर पे प्रोटेस्ट करने का। पहले तो प्रोटेस्ट की परमिशन लेते रहो। अंदर जाते टाइम पोस्टर्स की चेकिंग होती है। अगर हमारी जो डिमांड है, हम वो पोस्टर तक नहीं अंदर लेकर जा पाते, तो हम हाई कोर्ट ने बेल दी है, तो हम यहाँ खड़े होकर ही मांग करेंगे।
We saw during Nirbhaya, there was a lot of, in fact, outrage. Many people were out on the streets as well. There is an allegation by the Congress party that dissent is also being stifled. We saw how the survivor and her mother was also dragged away at India Gate.
Were they doing anything over there? Peacefully, 3 women sitting and they were dragged. समझ में नहीं आता कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है, कि क्या अपनी मांग भी आगे नहीं रख सकते? सुनवाई किधर है? I want to know which court is listening. अरावलीज कट रहे हैं, AQI बढ़ रहा है, रेप विक्टिम्स को आप फ्री कर रहे हैं। प्रॉब्लम क्या है? Where is the democracy? Where is the justice?
Where is the justice is the word that is coming in. Showing you the banners as well that protesters are carrying on their banners as well. Balatkar se azadi, महिलाएं क्या मांगे? That is the poster that people are carrying. They're also asking, why is protection being given to rapists? That is the major sentiment that is coming in here. मैम, आप भी आज यहाँ सुबह आई हैं प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए, क्या डिमांड है आपकी? हमने देखा कि इंडिया गेट में भी कैसे प्रोटेस्टर्स के साथ ड्रैग किया गया था, आज भी डिटेंशन वैन लेकर आई गई है।
देखिए, ये जो भाजपा की सरकार जिस तरीके से खोखले नारे दे रही है, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ का, ये सामने दिख रहा है। यही भाजपा के नेता महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार करते हैं और इन्हीं की सरकार के नेता उनको बाजित बरी करके निकलवाते हैं।
आपको लगता है कि क्योंकि बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट के फॉर्मर एमएलए थे, इसलिए ऐसे जजमेंट्स आ रहे हैं? इज दैट व्हाट इज योर एलिजी?
जी, क्योंकि भाजपा के जो नेताओं का, आप कुलदीप सेंगर का देख लीजिए, आपके जो यहाँ गुजरात में जो बिल्किस बानो के साथ हुआ था, उसमें भी उन बलात्कारियों को बाहर निकाल के माला देकर उनका स्वागत किया। इसलिए हम ये कंडम करते हैं, निंदा करते हैं कि ये हम कतई बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे। आज के दिन महिलाएं सुरक्षित नहीं है।
This is the key word. Women are not safe in today's day and age. This is what protesters are saying. Once again, showing you the visuals here on our channels. There are many women activists here who have assembled assembled here as of this morning. Earlier, we had spoken to the survivor's mother as well, who had said that till the time this order is taken back, till the time there is justice in true sense, they will keep protesting. While it only began with the survivor's mother and the survivor who, again, remember, has not been allowed to step down from her CRPF van. She's also alleged that how the security that has been given to her time and again, that is the same security that is restricting her movement that is, the movement which is crucial for her in order to access spaces wherein she can showcase her dissent from. But currently there are members coming in from different, in fact, women activist wings as well, who are addressing the media, who are asking for justice in this regard as well. We'll try and get you some more voices, but also note the heavy police deployment also that's been done here. This protest will only be able to continue for a little while, because after this, possible detention can also take place. मैम, हम देख रहे हैं कि कैसे बार-बार डिटेंशन की बात भी करी जा रही है, बोला जा रहा है कि आपको अलाउड नहीं है इधर प्रोटेस्ट करना. आपकी की डिमांड्स क्या है जब आप आज जो आप यहाँ आए?
सकते हो, पीड़िता पूरे देश की बेटी है और पूरे देश से, मैं खुद बिहार से हूँ, बिहार प्रदेश महिला कांग्रेस की वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर कुमारी सोनी हूँ. पीड़िता का दर्द असहनीय है. बलात्कार तो एक बार हुआ, लेकिन ये बीजेपी की सरकार ने समझिए कि दोबारा इसको संरक्षण दे करके, इसको बाहर निकाल करके उस पीड़िता का जख्म को ताजा कर दिया. ये मोदी सरकार, ये बीजेपी की सरकार, ये थोड़ा भी नहीं सोचती है कि अपने बात पर रहें. कथनी और करनी में फर्क है.
The poster also that the activist is also carrying, डर नहीं, चुप्पी नहीं, मुझे न्याय चाहिए, justice for Unnao victim. मैम, ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि राहुल गांधी, सोनिया गांधी, इनसे विक्टिम मिली, तो पोलिटिसाइज कर रहा है कांग्रेस पार्टी इस पूरे सेंटेंस को, इस इंसिडेंट को.
ये पॉलिटिसाइज नहीं है, यह एक बेटी का दर्द है. जिसको बेटी होगी वही बेटी का दर्द समझेगा, जिसकी बहन होगी उसी को बहन का दर्द आएगा. बीजेपी के डबल इंजन की सरकार को कोई बेटी और घर परिवार से मतलब नहीं है. ये देश की बेटी है, किसी कांग्रेस पार्टी की बेटी नहीं है. लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टियों को दर्द अपना सा लगता है, क्योंकि वो देश के लिए जीना मरना जानते हैं. वो देश के लोग जो कुछ जानते ही नहीं है. आप सोचिए, जब संविधान का नियम है कि आप अपना लोकतांत्रिक ढंग से धरना प्रदर्शन कर सकते हैं, ये खींचने का, बलात्कारी को खींच के अंदर जेल में डालना चाहिए. ये सरकार, निकम्मी सरकार ऐसी है कि बलात्कारी की जगह पे हमारी पीड़िता का दर्द को जख्म को ताजा कर दिया. वो निहत्थे बेगुनाह बेचारे पहले से दर्द में कहार रहे हैं.
This is what the activists are also saying, that instead of being strict against the perpetrator here, the rapist here, it was in fact the survivor's mother who was dragged. Even if they had to be detained, what was the need for this sort of an extremity? What was the need to drag them? Over here again, we can see how the protest is continuing. There are activists. These activists are from left parties. They are from the Congress party as well, and the very sharply criticizing the BJP government also here. Earlier as well, we were speaking to Mumtaz Patel, the Congress leader, who had said that it is under the Congress government wherein people were allowed to freely dissent. But here we are seeing that any form of dissent is also being curbed. Showing you continuous visuals here right from outside the Delhi High Court. You can also look at the police deployment that has been done all around us. All of this police deployment in a short while now. We can also see possible detentions take place, such as the scenario here today at the Delhi High Court, where in the morning it was only the survivor and her mother. We're seeing that slowly and steadily the protest is picking pace. The posters are here, the women carrying the posters also here, defiant in the face of possible detentions as well. On your screens as well, we have activists who are also sitting down for a dharna right in front of the Delhi High Court to register their protest, to register their outrage over the suspension of this sentence. And their key demands remain to be that this is not the way in which the technicality has been used to suspend the life imprisonment of Kuldeep Singh Singh,
right.
The rapist in this case, should not have happened in the very first place.
Absolutely. In fact, do stay on with us. Do stay on with us, Kritika. We'll just come back to you. Let's listen in to the rape survivor's mother. In no uncategorical terms, she says that we are not going to buckle down, no matter how powerful the other side is. The rape survivor's mother says that we are not going to stop our protests till the High Court wakes up. Watch this.
अभी तक का तो हमको पुलिस वाले नहीं रोका है। हमारे साथ अत्याचार हुआ तो पुलिस क्यों रोकेगी? हम अब धरना प्रदर्शन नहीं करेंगे तो हमको न्याय नहीं मिलेगी। हम इंडिया गेट गए, वहाँ पुलिस वाले ने हमको 7 लेडीज है, 8 लेडीज है, हमको मारते हुए और बहुत दूर घसलाते हुए, जैसे मेरे पति के साथ हुआ था। पुलिस वाले के सामने मेरे पति पीट पीट के मारे जाते थे, वैसे मेरे साथ इंडिया गेट पर हुआ। हमको हाई कोर्ट पे वो जजों से न्याय नहीं मिलेगा, शायद दूसरे जज बैठा भी जाए तो हमको न्याय मिल जाए, और हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट का दरवाजा खटखटाएंगे, वहाँ पे हमको न्याय मिलेगी।
It is not that it is a kind of a protest. It is just we are trying to request High Court that please, understand our point of view and whatever you have done, undo that. So our lawyer might be filing a caveat. We are here to support, and you can call it a protest or you can call it whatever, the kind of gathering which is supporting the victim. So we are here for that. We are here to support the survivor. I don't want to deny those allegations because unfortunately if you read the judgment you will see how kiddish or at the same time how manipulative it is.
The victim, the now victim, she's been trying to reach out to the Prime Minister, she's been trying to reach out to the Home Minister since this order and judgment has been passed in favor of Kuldeep Sengar. However, nobody is giving her that time. If you look at the protests also, it's her with a few people that are coming out on the roads. If you remember during Nirbhaya time, the government and the police allowed thousands of people to come down on the street. If the culprit is to walk free, we've seen it in the past also where rapists have been garlanded. Most of them are out. If you see Ram Rahim, if you see the Bilkis Banu rapists also, they were garlanded when they came out.
So let me go across to Kritika. Kritika, you've been getting us this protest, even though the lawyer says it's not really a protest, it is a call to wake up, an awakening call. Tell us who all are part of it. Is it just activists? Are there political parties? Who are these protesters who are sitting there outside the High Court as we speak?
Well, it's a mixed bunch. There are women activists and then there are also women activists affiliated to different left and Congress party organizations as well. On your screens, you can see that activists are still sitting down on their protest, even as continuous warning from the police personnel is being made of possible legal action against all of them, because no protest is allowed to be conducted at the gates of the Delhi High Court, where currently we are reporting from. On your screens also, you can see AIDWA, that is one organization. Other organizations are also here. Their posters mainly asking for why protection is being given to a rapist. That is the outrage that they are trying to today portray as well. We'll try and get some word as well. Ma'am, ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि politicize किया जा रहा है इन protests को. आप क्या कहेंगे?
I think they should sit at home and pray कि इनकी खुद की बेटी या बहू के साथ ये ना हो. Everything is not political. In fact, we know that बीजेपी सरकार हर चीज को politicize कर रही है. हर चीज में हम लोगों को दबाया जा रहा है. कब तक चुप रहे? हम लोग डॉग्स के लिए भी लड़े थे, कोर्ट गए थे, हमारी सुनवाई नहीं हुई. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने हमसे पैसे लिए, गलत ऑर्डर पास करा. इस केस में भी इन्होंने ये करा. तो हमारे कोर्ट्स हमारी नहीं सुन रहे, सड़क पे हम बैठ नहीं सकते. और आप CBI is saying that they will be moving the Supreme Court on behalf of the victim as well to put forward her stance. Do you think that will be a welcome move? How many times is the girl going to prove that she got gang raped and her father was killed? जब एक बार prove हो गया है कि रेप हुआ है और उसके बाप को मारा गया है कस्टडी में, can we just go with the thing? या हम लोग यही करेंगे कि जिसके पास कनेक्शंस है, पावर है, पैसे है, बिकॉज वो बीजेपी MLA था तो वो निकल जाएगा इसमें से.
BJP says that they had expelled the MLA.
Call a spade a spade. Let's just see. Let's call a spade a spade. We know he's an ex-BJP MLA and what kind of support he's getting and why he's out.
Ma'am, I would like to understand from you, there is also this technicality of the public servant aspect. What do you have to say on that?
मैडम एक बात बताइए, क्या करें कि MLA पब्लिक सर्वेंट अगर नहीं है तो फिर कौन पब्लिक सर्वेंट है कि जिसके लिए जिसको बचाने के लिए पूरी सत्ता, पूरी ताकत, पूरी एजेंसीज लग गई हैं.
There's a loophole in the law then.
Of course, आप बताइए कि क्या मुझे आपको बताने की जरूरत है कि लूपहोल है, जुडिशरी बायस हो गई है, जुडिशरी के अंदर सारे जो एक्स जजेस हैं वो बाहर आकर कहते हैं कि जुडिशरी बायस
से लगातार जिस तरीके से हम ये देख रहे हैं कि जुडिशरी जिस तरीके के फैसले कर रही है, देश की आधी आबादी जिसके लिए फैसला कर रहा था, रेप विक्टिम जो उन्नाव की जो बेटी है, जिसको 2 दिन पहले ठीक जो विकेशन से
So this is the voices that we're getting you from outside the Delhi High Court right now. The protest continues. Over to you.